Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix mouse right click not working or right click stuck. First method, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape keys. Select Windows Explorer, click Restart. Second method is press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape keys. Click File, click Run New Task, type Regedit, check Create this task with administrative privileges. Click and expand HKey classes root, click and expand directory. Click and expand background, click and expand shell EX. Click and expand context menu handlers. Delete all keys except new and work folders. Close and restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.